Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making potato and mozzarella croquettes, a crisp, flavorful crust with cheesy potato goodness. Let's get started. In a pot, boil your potatoes, adding a generous amount of salt over moderate heat for about 20 minutes until tender. Then smash your potatoes until you no longer see chunks. In your smashed potato bowl, stir in salt, black pepper, parsley, and mozzarella chunks. Shape the mixture into oval croquettes and transfer it to a plate. In another bowl, beat the eggs with the mustard, garlic, black pepper, salt, and set aside. Next, in a saucepan, heat up your oil, add the tomatoes and cook over moderate heat. Add in your salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and stir until it's soft and saucy, which should be about 8 minutes. Now stir in the basil and season it with salt and pepper, then transfer it to a bowl. Here comes the fun part. Spread the breadcrumbs in a bowl. First, coat your croquettes with the breadcrumbs, then dip it into the beaten egg mixture and again into the breadcrumbs. Next, repeat this step until you're left with zero. In a saucepan, heat up your oil and begin to fry your croquettes until they turn golden and crisp. And there you have it, fresh potato and mozzarella croquettes. Enjoy this with the homemade tomato sauce we made. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the description.